So hi guys, today I would like to share about my project. Before starting explanation of my project, I would like to share about myself. I am Vamsi and I am currently pursuing Python full stack at Codena in Hyderabad. I have been working on this project from 1 week. Mm, my project title was like MovieMind Analytics, which is to find the prediction of revenue to the particular movie based on the profit and rating, cast of the movie and the director of the movie. Based on these terminologies, we predict the movie revenue after 1 year. Before going to see our application, I would like to share the overall information of my project architecture. Here is the database schema. We are getting the data from our database. So before that, we have to create our database. I have created my database like Movie Data Analytics. Here's the database called Movie Analytics. Inside the database, we have a user table to store the user credentials while registration or for logging in their accounts. And here we have movies table. Inside the movies table, we have several kinds of columns like ID, title, genre of the movie, release year of the movie, real time, runtime. We have director, cast, budget, revenue, and rating of the movie, votes, popularity. These are the columns for predicting the movies. And we have here the models. These are the AI models to predict the revenue based on their credentials like movie budget, cast, and director, and their first day of collections and their cast. Based on their cast, also we can predict the revenue after 1 year. And here we have a prediction code to generate the scalar.pk1. And here we have routers to combining each pages of our project. This is the analytical page. This is the comparison page. This is the dashboard page. And these are the HTML pages which we have in front end. And inside statics, we have CSS for making designs for pages. And we have images inside our application. And we have JavaScript files like charts, comparison dashboards to make dynamic application. And we have here, it is the main file to route the all pages. Okay, let me run this file. Open new terminal. Inside the terminal, we have to go to the virtual environment. Inside the virtual environment for project folder, have to run our project. Database is connected successfully. Okay, it will take a couple of minutes to run. Meanwhile, we can see all of the files which is here. As we have readme file. We have readme file. I have uploaded this file in my GitHub repositories, which you guys can access this one. Okay, we got the URL. This is the localhost URL. You can access our application front-end interface through this URL. Okay, you can open it. And you can see our overall interface of our project. Inside my project, okay, these are the okay, these are the interface of project. So discover the patterns behind the blockbuster success. We can predict about this application. We can analyze the movie by using charts, and we can visualize the dashboards based on the variables. This is nothing but released year by revenue, like that. And we can predict AI predictions based on their credentials, not credentials, based on their inputs like movie title, first day of collections, first day of rating, IMDb rating, and we have total 945 movies, 20 genres from 10 countries, and we got 95% accuracy rate while developing our model, AI model, and they're having revenue analysis, genre insights, and audience ratings. Based on the audience rating, we are predicting the revenue after 1 year. Here we have reports. And how it works. First, we load the data and then analyze the data. Analyze the data in the sense we can remove the duplicates, and based on the columns, we are analyzing the data. Here we have visualize. Uh, Here we have visualized through charts like bar charts and the scatter plot, pie charts to distribution of each category or each genre of the movie. And we can predict the movie based on their inputs using a we have a model called a. Okay, this is the overall homepage of my project. And before going to dashboard analytic comparison prediction report page, we have to log in first. So I have registered my account. So I'm accessing. Okay, this is my dashboard page, and these are the total movies, total revenue, the average rating of all of the movies, and this is the revenue trends based on the movie titles. Here is the genre distributions, and we have budget versus revenue by using the scatter plot, and we have rating distribution using bar graphs. These are the top most movies based on the revenue and ratings. Okay, this is this dashboard page. If you click here, predict movie success, it will direct it to prediction page. And before that, we have to see what is the interface inside the analytical page, and here is the analysis of all movies in different kind of charts. This is revenue by genre. Based on the based on the genre, revenue is generating. Here we have movie release trends, number of movies by number of views trends, and here's the third chart, budget versus revenue by using scatter plot. And here we have IMDb rating distribution, number of movies by IMDb rating distribution. Fine. This is the a chart and a bar chart for popular analysis, runtime analysis, language distribution. And again, these are the top performing movies over there. Based on this prediction analysis, we got the top highest genres like action, adventure, science fiction, and highest rated genres drama, action, crime, thrillers. Here we have the most popular movie called Interstellar, which is directed by Christopher Nolan. I'm a big fan of Christopher Nolan. After analytical page, we can access comparison. We can compare two movies. Okay, Rise of Empire, and click it compare. We can compare these things. Okay, genre. We can compare with the genres, release date, release year, budget, revenue, profit, rating, votes. Okay, and after completion the comparison, we can go to the prediction. Based on these inputs, we can predict the movie revenue after 1 year. Okay, let's take what is the recent released movie? Recent released movies. Okay, this one's the Hollywood. Okay, so let's take Odyssey. Model, so, so, title what is it? Genre is adventure. Adventure. Budget is like 100, and here runtime like 1 to 40 minutes. And we have popularity score of more than 90%. The words are 1000, and we have the 8.5 movie success. Yeah, we got the predicted results over there. Movie title is The Odyssey. Prediction revenue is let's see, it's a long number, and we can got predicting rate after 1 year 6.9. So yeah. After got the output of the prediction, we can download our reports over there. This is the executive summary. This report contains analytical generated from 350 movies. Total revenue is like this, and the revenue average rating is 6.36, and the total genres are 189. Generated on this is August 4, 2026. So these are the revenue insights, audience rating, analytical insights. Again, these are the top performed movies, and we have machine learning prediction summary. We can after prediction action, you can download our reports. Okay, here. Okay, okay, this is our report. And if you want to download Excel sheet, you can download Excel sheet as well. Excel sheet consists of 300 records, I think so. These are the, These are the Excel sheet we got from this application. Fine. This is the login page. As I'm currently in login page. If you don't have any account, let's click here and give your credentials and click create account. You can create your account. This is the overall interface of my application. This is the platform to analyze the data and predict the revenue of the particular movie based on their budget. IMDb rating of the particular movie. This is all about my project. If you want to get this in live, I would like to share with you. Young Grok is the platform to keep our local host into live. So let's click here. Okay, this is the URL of our project. So this is the live web interface of the project where you can access from this URL. I will keep this to my GitHub repository. You can access my project through GitHub. This is the project folder. This is the README file where you can access the entire file by using this guidance. I have used sometime, and I have used Python Flask and Flask login. In database, I have used MySQL. For data analytics, I have used Pandas, NumPy, and here we have TensorFlow for building a model, machine learning model, and here we have report labs and OpenPy Excel for report pages. And this is the overall architecture of my project. And then these are the database schemas of these two tables. Okay, this is the overall of README file you can access. Thank you guys.